So you might be in a situation where you keep getting this type of pop-up on your iPhone that basically just tells you that no SIM is available or no SIM card is installed. Now, the way you can go through and fix this, there's a couple of different ways to do it. Number one, you might just want to go ahead and see if there is a SIM card installed or available in your phone. If you have an eSIM, if you have a physical SIM card that you can install, you might just want to go through and see if you can, actually insert those, SIM cards, insert those cards in general, like eSIMs or anything like that. And you want to see if you can go through and just fix that. Because that's a really, really easy way of kind of going about doing it. So just try doing that way, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Now, if you do that, or let's say that's not the issue, another thing you can try doing as well is to go through and basically update your iPhone. So go inside of your particular iPhone settings like this. You want to go inside of your general settings, which is right here. You want to click on software update, and all you're going to want to do is update your iPhone. So that's another really easy thing you can do to go and fix this problem as well. Like updating your iPhone is really one of the easiest things you can try doing there too. So try updating your iPhone. If there's no update available, you can try going through and basically restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, the volume up and the side button. Slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Like I said, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you as well. And if none of those other things are working, you might want to go through and see if there's another way to go ahead and kind of, maybe it's your SIM card provider that's giving you issues. You can also make your way over to a website like Downdetector.com, or is it downrightnow.com? One of those types of websites. And if Apple servers are down, or if like Verizon is down, or AT&T, T-Mobile, if these people are down, then you might just have to wait out until they end up fixing their servers. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, soul.